Okay, how can you get the mouse pointer XY coordinates for any position on screen? That's what I wanted today. I wanted to check something. I'm doing like a VPN change. I needed the coordinates for a program I've been writing. So, first of all, import PyAutoGUI. That's for like the movement of the mouse control with Python. I've done a video on that, so you can check that. So once you've downloaded that, print PyAutoGUI position. That's the code there. So we run that in the module and then go to the location. Source must be saved, okay. And as you can see, X and Y coordinates. It gives you the exact XY coordinates. Now the problem I found, do this again. The problem I found is trying to get the pointer to the coordinates you want quick enough, because the program runs instantly. So if I'm trying to get a position, let's say I'm trying to watch down there. So if I bring that in, because I think it's recording, let me show you that again, because I think the recorder was outside the screen. So let's say I wanted, if you can see, I'm hovering over here now. So say I wanted the XY coordinates of that. I've got to run it, run the module. The problem is getting to it in time. So it gives me point X, Y. So what I decided to do is paste in time dot sleep 15. That means 15 seconds. I want the XY coordinates. I think it's just below the screen, recording screen. It's on my tab bar. So how can I get down to it fast enough? I don't have time, so I've added sleep for 15 seconds, then print the position. That gives me time to get to a position. So run in the module, source must be saved, okay. It's giving me time now to get down. That's giving me 15 seconds. My cursor pointer is comfortably in place, and it's here, 108, which is what I was after for a traffic bot I'm writing. So if you're having problems, if you're having that same problem, add this line, time sleep 15 or 10 seconds or 20, whatever you want, and then print the position with PyAutoGUI. You have to download that. I've done another video on that if you haven't already.